Hello, this is Mark Ollinghouse with My Service Builder. And in this episode, I want to show you how this works on a mobile device. So you just go to the same website. I'll just type it in here, app.myservicebuilder.com. That's all you got. Type that into your address bar on your computer and hit enter, or in this case type it in on your phone, and here's what it's going to look like. This browser has a responsive mode. You can see here at the top it'll allow me to see what this website, the estimator, will look like in different sized devices. So like here's an iPad 9.7, here's an iPad mini, here's an iPhone 8. That's the Plus. Here's an iPhone just normal. And here's this small iPhone SE. So you can see some of the things that don't work quite well on a tiny device. But here's a common computer screen size, 1080. This is 1080p. But iPads are common. A lot of people are using them. Here's what it looks like in an iPad. My wife has an iPhone 7 Plus, which would be similar in size. You can see it displays well. You can look at the equipment or the job. Shows that. You can look at the equipment as well. Shows the equipment that's listed in there. All of the same tabs that you have. Everything still populates, pops up, works. Look at your reports and your settings. All those things are available on your mobile device. Nothing special needed. You don't have to download anything. This is interesting. It slides over, so you can still see your hours generated. This slides as well. Shows your status. You can go to that job from right here. Really cool stuff. Really excited about this, and you all get to try it in all the different devices that you might have. There you go. Thanks for watching.